Oh hey, it's us again. Been gone for how long? 6 weeks.
Too long.
Yeah.
It's been about a month.
Is it?
Yeah, 3-4 weeks.
Yeah. But we are back. A few people, thanks to 3 people that asked where we're going. It was a social experiment to see how 3,000 people.
Yeah. I've got to be honest, I had to take a break. The fame was killing me. I couldn't walk down the street without people like, oh, you're that guy off YouTube, aren't you?
It was pretty bad, wasn't
it? So hard. So, had a bit of a hiatus. Sean's had a holiday. We've had a bit of a break. Rested up, come up with some ideas. We're entering into winter now, and we figured we're going to take a bit of a different approach with some of the stuff we're filming.
Because of the weather.
Yeah, the weather's horrendous.
Raining, wet, cold.
And we're getting insight into the sort of stuff we're going to be doing anyway, so it's stuff we were planning on doing, but we'll just sort of get you involved with it and we'll film while we do it. So we're in my garage, and this is what I deal with on a day-to-day basis. It's an absolute mess at the minute. Even getting the bike out, if I wanted to get that bike out now, I know it's not the weather, but look what I'd have to deal with just to get it out the garage door. And even that, the pit door's open, it's over there, so if I wheel that back, it's in the hole. So yeah, we've got some plans. It's going to be a bit of a build. We're going to talk about what we're doing. We're going to have a bit of a reveal time-lapse type video as well, showing the whole progress of the things. So we'll film the whole duration of everything we do. Whereas on the vlog stuff, we'll just sort of snap it together, give you the information you need to see, and that'll be it.
Yeah. I reckon each garage, because we're both doing the same, and I reckon each garage we could probably do maybe 5 videos of.
Yeah.
So the first thing in here is clearing everything out, pulling out what we don't need, then insulating all the roof, patching in any holes, running any wiring that needs doing, boarding it out, sorting the floor out, sorting storage, paint, new doors, windows.
We just want them to be, like, I want this to be a nice place. I've got no real usable space to work. I can work on the bike and around it. I've got no workbench, I've got nothing like that. I've got a tool chest and some bits and bobs. There's stuff in here that's just taking room up that we don't need in here. So, it's quite cold in here as well at the minute. We've got an aircon unit there. That'll be going up, that'll be the heating for the place. It's all going to get insulated out, we're going to board it, make it look nice, paint it. And it's going to be a bit of a refurb, a bit of a like almost man cave sort of esque style to it. So we're going to make it look nice. We'll take a lot of inspiration from.
Be into it.
Yeah, we're going to look. I'll see like I don't know, World Superbike team garages and stuff like that. You look at them, they have like the logos and stuff all over. It looks really cool and clean. So we just want to do something like that. It's not going to be a bank breaker. A lot of it's, you know, if you can do the work yourself.
Labour, yeah.
If you can do the work yourself, it's just materials, so it's not horrendous. I fit air conditioning for a living, so that's that. Yeah, I think it's gonna be good transformation.
Yeah.
And
you get to see it from start to finish.
And we'll talk to you a bit more about the future plans. We're gonna go pick some stuff up, so we'll show you what we're planning.
Dodgem Squad do renovations. That's it. Part 1.
So
this is the kidder.
Yeah, so that's it. So a couple of these will do it.
Yeah.
2 of them. We've got 7 meters by 3 meters.
Yeah. And
so
how long's that?
They're 14 meters by 1.2. So we think 2 rolls of this will do that whole roof area.
So before all the insulation goes up there, Jamie's chucking this big fan up in the roof space. What sort of space would that normally heat then? When you think this is what, 7 meters by 3 meters? By about 2 high.
A lot of factors, but it'd easily do probably double this.
Easy. Ah, so we're good then.
It's all dependent on like how well insulated and stuff it is. Put it in a greenhouse, for example, or like a conservatory. It's not going to do a great job.
No. another little update. We are gonna now, we've pulled this back bit of old storage down.
Produced it.
Oh, do they?
I don't know,
Just had issues with the old stapler. Yeah. See, that's what we're allowed to go out and buy in any hardware store because of how relaxed our gun laws are.
Yeah.
You just go and buy that. Unbelievable. Yeah. So, we are going to be starting insulating across here all the way. Jamie got his rods in, rodded the roof. So that's all. So now we know where that unit's going to be mounted. Yeah, that's it. We're starting with this stuff. You staple it on, tape the joints with aluminium stuff, which we've got,
Yeah.
and then that's it. Should be toasty by tonight.
I'm sleeping late tonight.
So, what did...
Start filming, so I dropped all the staples.
Oh, that's the story of our life, is dropping things and then making the right mess. So first row is up. It's quite hard to work with actually because it's so thick, which is a good thing.
It doesn't rip easy, which is...
No.
But then it's hard to work with because it's so thick, so
Yeah.
you can't bring it
We got it nice and tight around these rods because we're going to try and create, once it's all together, we're going to be lapping sealant tape all the way around, doing all the joints, and then that will act as a vapor barrier then, and will stop any condensation or anything like that, moisture getting through it, which is what you don't want. So one row down, 1, 2, 3 rows left to do. Second strip up. So now we need to cut this in half. It's 1200 long, so cut it at 600. That's just enough to finish this piece and this piece. Then we've still got, that's 40 meters, so that leaves us a 600 piece that we can then run down that ridge and seal that gap up. And then there's still 7 meters worth of a 600 piece left.
Yeah.
If we need any bits for patching stuff up. What do you reckon? Warmer already, he says.
Boiling.
So
So I've
hot.
been doing all the work.
Yeah,
It's going alright.
it's going alright.
It's easy. If you can use a stapler and a brush to hold the sag.
The brush is, you need that for the sagaloo.
Yeah. It's a handy tool.
But yeah, we're getting there. Right, we're not sure how to cut it. Well, cutting it with a knife would be ideal. Because we need it exactly 600, we're just going to try and welly this.
We would have to roll it all out and then mark it, so we're talking 14 metres of marking and 14 metres of cutting.
Which
to
on a
get
dry day would be alright,
Yeah.
but we just can't move anything out because
It's wet.
pouring down.
So
I think this will work.
this will do the job. It won't give us the cleanest cut, but it's going to overlap anyway, so it doesn't really matter, and it's covered up.
Actually working alright, to be fair.
It's a big sushi roll.
Need that knife guy off YouTube, the guy that makes knives out of everything.
Yeah.
Someone's seen that. I know you have, because
What do you want him to do? Make a knife out of this?
yeah. What did he say? Sharpest knife made out of insulation to cut insulation.
That sounds like a win. Lovely, look at that.
That's better than.
That's a decent
That's
cut.
factory. That's garage.
Let's cut this end off as well and get this clean. Okay, so that's cut. Now we're just gonna repeat the process again. Really, we're just gonna pull that in, and that'll tidy that up, won't it? Lovely. So, I guess we'll work along as we have. Tack it at that end, work back,
cut
get
it
to this
around
and
them,
cut
notch
it.
them. Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll just cut round that.
And we're going to
Carry
knot tack about 200 mil
down, because then we can slide all our joists in for the storage again,
Yeah.
just by swinging it, little hatch. Yeah, let's do it.